Let's talk about how to use Semrush for local SEO. Now, if you don't already have an account for Semrush, I'll leave a link down below where you can get signed up for a free trial and use all these different paid features. But basically, when coming into a brand new niche, like plumbing, let's say you're a plumber in Phoenix, Arizona, you can kind of come up with a generic keyword that reflects the services that you offer. I always like to then go put that into Google and see if my competitors show up. And if these do look like competitors, then what I'll do is I'll take that keyword and come over to Semrush, and there's always this search bar at the top. Just plug it in and click search. So that's going to be kind of like a seed keyword, if you will. And then we're going to come down here to keyword ideas and click view all 160 keywords here. Basically, the first thing that I'm wanting to do is figure out what's the most broadly used keyword in this niche. So if we're sorting by volume, we can see that the highest search volume term is actually plumbers in Phoenix, which is quite interesting. So what I would do then is actually switch this one to plumbers in Phoenix, which gives us kind of an accurate assessment of search volume for this keyword, where the search volume is going, cost per click, a bunch of different stuff. But once we have searched the highest search volume term in our industry, we basically have the most broad keyword. Then we can start to take a look at who's showing up in the local search results. So there is this local pack. This is going to be, if we come over here and do a search, if we go below all these ads up here, this is considered the local pack. So these are the Google business profiles of these businesses. And it looks like there's 3 of them up here. Which we were looking at right here, right? Robbins Plumbing, Diamondbacks, and Maloney. Now this is going to vary depending on where you're located. This is very geo-specific, but you do have the ability to see those up here. Anyways, what we want is to find the top ranked businesses for these keywords. So looks like Anderson's is one of the top, and I think we're seeing that. Well, there's looks like Parker and Sons. Interesting. So this is pulling a slightly different result, which can happen from time to time. Oh no, it's Parker and Sons. Why did I say Anderson's? Yeah, no, that's correct. It's this one right here. Duh. Okay, so we can then take the top ranked website and come over here and put it into, actually let's start with this. Oh, I already have it in here. Duh. A little forgetful this morning, huh? So when I put this in here, this is going to give me an indication of what this website has going on with their SEO currently. You can see their authority score, their organic search traffic, paid search traffic, backlinks, a bunch of different information about what they have going on with their, this is basically looking at their SEO. We can see their paid ads, which is like Google ads or PPC, which is a little bit different. But ultimately, we can run this same scan on a couple of these different competitors. I'm going to skip the BBB because that's not really a competitor. That's more of like a, it's like a directory basically, right? See, we need to go to domain overview. There we go. Okay, so now we have the top 2 ranked businesses. We can see the first one has an authority score of 39. The second one an authority score of 26. The first one has 103 organic search traffic, 103,000 visitors a month organically, with a 27,000 domain rating. So this domain rating, these are both considerably lower, so to speak. So the higher your number of domain rating, the worse off you are. And of course, the higher the search volume, the better off you are. And really what I'm looking at here is like, what's the competition look like, right? So if this is our website theoretically, and we're trying to outrank this website, like, we've got some work to do, right? We need to improve our authority score, our domain rank. We need to probably get some more backlinks, right? Because this one only has 838 backlinks from 262 referring domains, and the top ranked site has 4,700 backlinks from almost 1,000 referring domains. So by increasing the number of backlinks we have, we can get a higher authority score, build up more authority, start getting more search volume, more search traffic. So that's one thing. Likely there's some work that needs to be done to the quality of the content on the website, a handful of different things. And so that's really what this tool is for. Like, if we're going to be doing local SEO, we can first figure out what's our main search term that we should be targeting. Who are the top companies that are ranked for that specific search term? And then what is it exactly that they're doing in order to be ranked for the terms that we're going after? So we can even dig into, like, where are they getting their backlinks from, right? What types of backlinks? Are they text or image? Are they follow or no follow? And are there some we can steal? So, like, here's one that they lost. Might be worth digging in, seeing maybe we can reach out to that company and get that backlink going to our website instead of theirs. And I'm seeing a lot of directories, local directories in here. Expertise.com. There was like nextdoor.com. A bunch of those types of companies. Of course, I'm not going to go through and analyze all of their backlinks together with you on this video right now, but just want to show you how this works generally. Being able to see what they have happening with their marketing will allow us to figure out what we need to do. Of course, theoretically, this is our website, and we would be targeting outranking this website. So we'd really want to see, like, what do their backlinks look like and what's in the gap. We can actually do a backlink gap analysis if we want. So we could take our website or their website. This is a theoretical, right? So it doesn't really matter whose website is whose. So we can analyze these two and figure out, like, oh, it's saying this is us. Probably want to switch those two around. But either way, it will show which backlinks they have that we don't have, and then we can try and get backlinks that are similar or the same. And ultimately, over time, through improving our online presence, getting more backlinks, creating more authoritative content, which then leads to organic backlinks and whatnot, we can begin to improve our authority score up to a level where we can overtake the #1 ranked site in this space. So that's kind of a 500-foot view of how you would use Semrush for local SEO. I hope you did find this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comments section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there. If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours, and all for less than $50.
If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.